Hi listeners. Welcome back to Percakapan channel. Learning English and Bahasa Indonesia. Today you're going to listen to a short story. First part, you listen to a short story, then answer the questions based on the story you've heard. Last part, you retell the story again in your own words. Let's start listening now. Radio and television. There are few homes in the United States today that do not have either a radio or television set. Both of them have become an essential part of our daily life, keeping us informed of the news of the day, instructing us in many fields of interest, and entertaining us with singing, dancing, and acting. Marconi, the Italian inventor who gave us the radio, probably didn't realize what effects his great invention would have on the world in the years to come. Radio has, perhaps, had as much influence on the world as any other communications device. Events of universal interest can be reported to the entire globe a few seconds after they happen. Explorers in remote areas, ships at sea, even astronauts circling the Earth are able to keep in touch with civilization by means of radio. Television is another major instrument of communication, permitting us to see as well as to hear the performer. Since its appearance, TV has had a tremendous effect on the daily life of people everywhere. Improvements of all kinds are constantly being made in television so that reception will be as close to perfect as possible. Many programs are now televised in color. Perhaps the most recent advancement of significance has been Telstar. This specially equipped space capsule, orbiting the globe, makes it possible for the entire world to be closer than ever before. Now a family in Chicago can watch on TV an auto race in Italy, a ski tournament in Norway, or a parade in Japan as these events are actually happening. Questions. 1. Who invented the radio? 2. Mention 3 uses of radio and television. 3. What is Telstar? Why is it important? 4. Do you listen to the radio? What type of program do you prefer? 5. Do you watch television? What type of program do you like best?
Now, please retell the story again in your own words.
That's the end of the lesson. Don't forget to subscribe, like, give comment and share this link to others. See ya.